Students, welcome to Narayan PU College. Last session I have discussed up to question number 88. Now question number 89. If modulus of z plus z bar plus z minus z bar is equal to 2, then z lies on. Here let z is equal to x plus iy, then z bar should be x minus iy. Here x plus iy plus z bar x minus iy, the conjugate of this z is x minus iy plus x plus iy minus of x minus iy is equal to 2. Here iy plus iy minus iy get cancelled, remaining x plus x modulus of 2x plus x plus iy minus x minus into plus iy. Here plus x minus x cancel, remaining plus iy minus into plus iy getting I into 2y is equal to 2. Here modulus of 2x, it is square root of 4x square plus a square root of 4y square is equal to 2. The square root of 4x square, so it can be 2x plus 2y is equal to 2. Dividing throughout by 2, we are getting x plus y is equal to 1. This is the equation of the straight line. The option A is the correct option. This question number 90. The center of circle, so the center of circle z is equal to 3i minus t divided by 2 plus it, but t belongs to real number is. Here let z is equal to x plus iy, x plus iy is equal to 3i minus t divided by 2 plus it. So rational is here, denominator 2 minus it divided by 2 minus it. So here, so multiply number 3i into 2, 3 to 6i, 3i into minus it, I into minus I minus I square plus 1 we are getting plus 3t minus t into minus 2 minus 2t minus into minus plus I t divided by, so I minus t into minus it we are getting plus it square. So a plus b into a minus b, 2 square 4 minus I square into t square minus 1 minus 1 plus 4 plus t square. Here 3t minus 2t, where t plus we take I common, remaining t square plus 6 divided by 4 plus t square. Here, so t divided by 4 plus t square plus I into t square plus 6 divided by 4 plus t square, but here x plus iy. We are comparing real part and imaginary part. Here LHS to RHS, x is equal to t divided by 4 plus t square, y is equal to t square plus 6 divided by 4 plus t square. Here, but we have to, here also we have to find the value of y minus 1, we need this value. So y minus 1 is equal to t square plus 6 by 4 plus t square minus 1. Y minus 1 is equal to, take 4 plus t square LCM, t square plus 6 minus 4 minus t square plus t square minus t square cancel, remaining y minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 4, 2 divided by 4 plus t square. Then we have to find the value x square plus y square, because they have given the center of the circle they have given. Then we have to find this value x square plus y square is equal to x square value t by t square plus by 4 plus t square whole square plus y value t square plus 6 whole square divided by 4 plus t square whole square. Now is equal to, we have to take LCM 4 plus t square whole square. So t square, it is the form of a plus b whole square. So t power 4, we have a t square whole square plus 36 plus 12t square here. So t square okay, t power 4 plus t square plus 12t square 13t square plus 36 divided by 4 plus t square whole square. Now here, so it can be t square, okay, t power 4 plus it can be written as 4t square plus 9t square plus 36 divided by 4 plus t square whole square. Here in numerator we have to take common, here t square remaining t square plus 4 plus here take common 9 remaining t square plus 4 divided by 4 plus t square whole square. Here it can be written as like this, t square plus 4 into t square plus 9 divided by 4 plus t square whole square. The square of t square plus 4 get cancelled, remaining t square plus, it can be 9, it can be written as 4 plus 5 divided by t square plus 4 or 4 plus t square. So here t square plus 4 we can simplify, here we are getting 1 plus 5 by t square plus 4 to 1 plus, here multiply and divide 2, so 5 by 2 into 2 divided by t square plus 4. But we know that the value, 2 by 4 plus t square value y minus 1 plus 5 by 2 into y minus 1. We have to take equation number 1 from 1 here. So we will take 2 LCM. So what is our problem? 5 by 2y minus 5 by 2 here. So 5 by 2y minus 3 by 2 LCM. We are taking 2 minus 5 by, getting minus 3 by 2, but x square plus y square is equal to this one. But x square plus y square, they decide minus 5 by 2y plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. It is in the form of general equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. But it is center minus g comma minus f. But here 2g value by x value here 0. So z is equal to 0. And so 2f is equal to here minus 5 by 2, but f is equal to minus 5 by 4. But center c value minus g comma minus f, but g value here 0. So minus of minus 5 by 4, we are getting 5 by 4. Here option C is the correct option. The center 0 comma 5 by 4. Next question number 91. The equation modulus of z minus 1 whole square plus modulus of z plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 represents. Here let let z is equal to, we have taken x plus iy. So modulus of, substitute here z value, x plus iy minus 1 whole square plus modulus of x plus iy plus 1 whole square is equal to 2. Here x minus 1 plus iy whole square plus x plus 1 plus iy whole square is equal to 2. So already we know that the modulus of z square value x square plus y square. Here it is directly x minus 1 whole square plus iy whole square we have taken minus y square. Okay. So x minus 1 whole square plus y square plus x plus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 2. Here plus y square, sorry. Here x square plus 1 minus 2x, y square plus y square, 2y square plus x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 2. Now here minus 1 minus 2x minus 2a plus 2x get cancelled, remaining x square plus x square, 2x square plus 2y square plus 2 is equal to 2. Here 2 get cancelled, remaining 2x square plus 2y square is equal to 0. So x square divided by 2, x square plus y square is equal to 0. Here the values, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So it should be, we have to give the value x is equal to 0, so y also 0. But here the point should be x comma y should be 0 comma 0. But here option, the order pairs are 0 comma 0. Option C is the correct option. Option C is the correct option, the order pair of 0 comma 0. Next question. Question number 92. The triangle with vertices at the points z1, z2, 1 minus I into z1 plus iz2 is. So here the points are, they are given the triangle with the vertices of the point z1, z2, 1 minus I, z1 plus iz2. Here now we have to represent the point P, the z1, Q, z2, the point R, 1 minus I, z1 plus I, z2. Here triangle like this, the point P, z1, point Q, z2, the point R, 1 minus I, z1 plus I, z2. But here PQ, for short of the distance of this one, the PQ is equal to modulus of z1 minus z2. Modulus z1 minus z2, I take modulus of z1 minus z2 in QR. So QR or RP. So RP is equal to, so z1 modulus of z1 minus of 1 minus I, z1 plus I, z2. Here z1 minus of so PQ is equal to modulus of z1 minus z2, but RP here modulus of z1 minus of I 1 minus I into z1 plus into minus minus I z2. So modulus of z1 minus z1, here multiplied here z here, minus z1 minus plus I z1 minus I z2. Now here z1 plus z1 minus z1 cancel, Remember we have to take common I here. So I modulus of I into z1 minus z2. So already we know that the modulus of I value 1. So here modulus of z1 minus z2. Now here I should have to find QR. So QR, so I take a modulus here, the modulus of PQ and modulus of RP. So here modulus of QR is equal to here modulus of QR. So modulus of Z2 minus of 1 minus I into Z1 plus into minus minus I Z2. So here modulus of Z2 minus minus 1 into Z1 minus Z1 minus 2 minus plus here. So I take Z2 here minus I Z2, I have take common Z2 remaining 1 minus I remain minus of 1 minus I into Z1. Here we have take common 1 minus I, so remaining Z2 minus Z1. So already we know that the modulus of 1 minus I value square root of 1 plus 1 we are getting root 2 into modulus of Z2 minus Z1. So root 2 into, so modulus of Z2 minus Z1 and the modulus of Z1 minus Z2 both are same, we have taken modulus of Z1 minus Z2, but here modulus of PQ is equal to modulus of RP. So they have both are equal, and so it is they have equilateral triangle, but here modulus of QR square is equal to modulus of PQ square plus modulus of RP square. Here modulus of QR, so you are getting 2 into modulus of Z1 minus Z2 whole square is equal to modulus of PQ square Z1 minus Z2 whole square plus modulus of RP square Z1 minus Z2 whole square. We are getting 2 into modulus of Z1 minus Z2 whole square is equal to 2 into modulus of Z1 minus Z2 whole square. That is a isosceles triangle and it is a right angle triangle. The option C is the correct option because it is a right angle triangle and isosceles triangle. A triangle here, so in triangle, question number 93. If modulus of Z1 is equal to Z2 is equal to modulus Z3 is equal to 1 and Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 0, then the area of the triangle with vertices are Z1, Z2, Z3. Here, see it can be modulus of Z1 minus Z2. So it can be, this distance we have taken A. Now, so we have given modulus of Z1 is equal to modulus of Z2 is equal to modulus of Z3 is equal to 1. Now here, so modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2 whole square plus modulus of Z1 minus Z2 whole square is equal to, so we know that, so modulus of Z1 plus Z2 whole square plus modulus of Z1 minus Z2 whole square is equal to 2 into modulus of Z1 square plus modulus of Z2 square. It is A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. We are getting 2 into A square plus B square. Now they are given clearly Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 0. Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 0. Now Z1 plus Z2 is equal to minus Z3. So applying modulus on both sides. So modulus of Z1 plus Z2 is equal to, so modulus of Z3 we are getting modulus of Z3 only. Now we have taken this equation number we have taken the equation number 1. Substitute this value in equation number 1. So what is the modulus of Z1 plus Z2? We have taken modulus of Z3 whole square, modulus of Z3 whole square plus modulus of Z1 minus Z2 we have taken A here. So A square is equal to 2 into modulus of z1 whole square. Z1 value 1 square 1 plus 1 here. So modulus of z3, already we know that the modulus of z3 also 1. So 1 square nothing but 1 plus a square is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 2 2 2s are 4. So a square is equal to 4 minus 1, a square is equal to 3, but a is equal to root 3. Similarly, so to find mod of z2 minus z3 is equal to mod of z3 minus z1, also we are getting root 3. In the we have to do this thing also same manner. Therefore, here the modulus of z2 minus z3, modulus of z2 minus z3 minus z1 and the modulus of z1 minus z2 are equal. So here it is in a equilateral triangle. Therefore, the area of the equilateral triangle, area of triangle 3 by root 3 by 4 into a square. But here, so root 3 by 4, it can be value of a. Here a value root 3 whole square, square root get cancelled. So 3 root 3 by 4. Here option A is the correct option. It's question number 94. Equation of the reflection of the line a bar z plus az bar is equal to 0 in the real axis. Here the equation of the reflection of the line. Here we have to replace z by z bar. Replace, they are given reflection, the z is the reflection should be conjugate. So replace z by z bar. Replace z is equal to, you have to take z bar. Here a bar z bar plus a z bar whole bar, we are getting z only, is equal to 0. Here option A is the correct option. Option A is the correct option. Next question, question number 95. The roots of z minus 1 whole power n is equal to 2 omega z plus 1 whole power n, where n is greater than or equal to 3 and omega is the imaginary cube root of unity, are plotted in organ plane. Then the roots lying on here, then the roots are lying on here. It can be written as 2 omega, so z minus 1 whole power n divided by z plus n, z plus 1 whole power n is equal to 2 omega. Applying modulus on both sides, we are getting modulus of z minus 1 whole power n divided by modulus of z plus 1 whole power n is equal to 2 into modulus of omega. Here modulus of z minus 1 whole power n divided by modulus of z plus 1 whole power n is equal to 2 into omega value 2, because modulus of omega value 1 only. Here, so modulus of z minus 1 by, so here, so we know that the omega value minus 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. So the modulus of minus 1 plus I root 3 value, square root of 1 plus 3, so square root of 4, the square root of 4 value 2. Here we are getting modulus of z minus 1 by z plus 1 whole power n is equal to 2 only. Let z is equal to x plus iy. Here modulus of x plus iy minus 1 divided by x plus iy plus 1 whole power n is equal to 2. Here modulus of x minus 1 plus iy divided by x plus 1 plus iy whole power n is equal to 2. Here the modulus of x minus 1 is square root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square, as the modulus of this one also square root of, okay, it can be written as like this. So square root modulus of x minus 1 plus iy divided by modulus of x plus 1 plus iy is equal to 2 power 1 by n. We are dividing third by powers with n, we are getting 2 power 1 by n. Here the modulus of x minus 1 plus iy is square root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square, also square root of x plus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 2 power 1 by n. Now here the cross multiplicate here, the square root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to 2 into 1 power n into square root of x plus 1 whole square plus y square. If you substitute the value of z x plus iy, it is getting a lengthy process. So let remember this formula already yesterday I have discussed. Let modulus of z minus a plus iy by modulus of z is equal to k. That is the equation of circle. Already we have discussed yesterday class. Here also same thing, we have to remember this one. The let modulus of z minus a plus ib by z plus a plus ib is equal to k. It is also a equation of a circle. Here 2 power 1 by n is a constant. Here option B is the correct option. This question number 96. The system of equations modulus of z plus 1 minus I is equal to 2. The real part of z is greater than or equal to 1, where z is a complex number has. Here let z is equal to x plus iy. Here modulus of x plus iy plus 1 minus I is equal to 2. So x plus 1 plus I into y minus 1 is equal to 2. Here square root of modulus square root of x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 2. Here square root of, now so it is an we have the equation, we come squaring on both sides. What we get? X plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 2 square. So it is a general equation of the circle. It is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. But here the center h comma k, but here minus 1 comma 1 and radius r is equal to 2. But I have given clearly the real part of that is greater than or equal to 1. To plot a circle here. So the circle at the center minus 1 comma 1, other radius 2, is a radius so 2, but the real part of that is also greater than or equal to 1. So this point we have taken the greater than or equal to 1 because they are given the real part of that is always a greater than or equal to 1. Here option we are getting only option exactly, we are getting only exactly one solution here, because So we have draw the clearly with the coordinate axis the circle. Here center at minus 1 comma 1 we have taken minus 1. So 1 we have to draw the circle here. So with radius 2 here. See here the circle we have to pausing exactly at the point 1. Therefore the real part of z is greater than or equal to 1. The real part of z here x is greater than or equal to 1. We have to find the circle passing through only one point. So x is equal to 1. There is only one solution here. Here option only one solution. Exactly one solution. Option B is the correct option. This question number 97. Number of complex numbers z satisfying modulus of z minus 3 minus I is equal to modulus of z minus 9 minus I and modulus of z minus 3 plus 3I is equal to 3. Here first we have to this one let z is equal to x plus iy. So modulus of x plus iy minus 3 minus I is equal to x plus iy minus 9 minus I. Here so separating the real parts and the imaginary parts here. X minus 3 plus I into y minus 1 is equal to x minus 9 plus I into y minus 1. Now applying modulus here, square root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to square root of x minus 9 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Now squaring on both sides we are getting x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to x minus 9 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. Here plus y minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square get cancelled. Remaining here x square plus 9 applying a minus b whole square formula, x square plus 3 square 9 minus 6x is equal to x square plus 9 square 81 minus 18 x. Here x square plus x square get cancelled. Remaining this side 18x minus 6x is equal to 81 minus 9. Now here 18x minus 6x 12x. So 81 minus 9 72. But here x value is equal to 6. So x is equal to 72 by 12. We are getting x value 6. Then you have to use this equation that x is z minus 3 plus 3I is equal to 3. So z is equal to x plus iy minus 3 plus 3I is equal to 3. Already we know that the value x value 6 plus iy minus 3 plus 3I is equal to 3. Now here so 6 minus 3 we are getting 3 plus we have to take common I remaining 3 plus is y plus 3 is equal to 3. So applying the modulus value, square root of 9 plus y plus 3 whole square is equal to 3. Here squaring on both sides we are getting 9 plus y square, applying directly a plus b whole square formula, y square plus 9 plus 6y is equal to 3 square value 9. Here 9 get cancelled, remaining y square, it can be written directly y plus 3 whole square because a plus b whole square formula it can be directly y plus 3 whole square is equal to 0, y plus 3 is equal to 0, y is equal to minus. Here the x comma y values are 6 comma minus 3. Here they have given only One solution here, because x and y we are getting only one solution. The option A is the correct option. Question number 98. The point F Z1, point B Z2, point C Z3 are the vertices of the equilateral triangle ABC whose circumcenter is Z0, the point is Z0, then Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is. Here they have given Z1, Z2, Z3 are the vertices of the triangle. Where so here they have given Z1 as the equilateral triangle. Here the equilateral triangle like this. So Z1, the point A, Z1, point B, Z2 and point C, Z3. Then he given, so the circumcenter of is D of Z0. The circumcenter here Z0, but you know the condition Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to Z1, Z2 plus so Z1 and Z2, Z3 are the vertices of a equilateral triangle. Then this is a condition. Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1. But in equilateral triangle, circumcenter and centroids are both are coincide. Then Z0, it is simple for centroid formula. We know that the centroid formula. So Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 by 3. Here the centroid should be Z0. So Z0 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 divided by 3. So cross multiplication here, 3Z0 is equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Squaring on both sides, so 9 Z0 square is equal to Z1 plus, we can apply directly A plus B plus C whole square formula, Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square plus 2 into Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z1. Now here, so 9Z not square is equal to Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square plus 2 into, already we know that. So Z1 Z2 plus Z2 Z3 plus Z3 Z2 value Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square, 2 into Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 whole square. Here, so Z1 plus Z2 square, Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square, 2 times this one we have to write 3 into, so 9 Z0 square is equal to 3 into Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square. Well, 3 ones are 3 threes are. So remain, so Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is equal to 3 times of Z0 square. Here option B is the correct option. This question number 99. Area of the triangle formed by the points represented by Z, Z plus iz comma and iz is equal to, let vertex A is z B iz, C z plus iz. Now forms a triangle, a right angle triangle. So the point A z, point C z plus iz, point to B iz. So here AC and BC are perpendicular to each at the point C. Now the distance of BC or the distance of CB, what we get here? OC minus OB, getting OC minus OB. Here OC z plus iz minus iz, that it cancel remaining z. We take modulus of z here. Then same process AC, we get the same process, we getting modulus of iz. Here OC minus OA, we getting like this, iz we have to getting, no problem, we can do here. So OC minus OA, so OC z plus iz minus z. So plus minus get cancelled, remaining iz. Here also taken modulus, length is always positive. Now we have to find area of this triangle. The area of the triangle, right angle triangle, area of into base BC into I to AC. Now here of into mod z AC mod iz. Now here, so 1 by 2 into mod z, mod I into z. So mod I value 1, and right mod z. So here 1 by 2 into mod z square. Here option C is the correct option. Question number 100. The equation z cube plus iz minus 1 is equal to 0. Here z cube minus 1 plus iz is equal to 0, equating real part and imaginary part here. So z cube minus 1 is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. So z cube equal to 1. So z is equal to 1 power 1 by 3, we can z is equal to 1. But z is equal to 0, 0 and 1. This value is not satisfying in this equation, because you have to put the value z is equal to 0 here. So what do we get here? So 0 plus I into 0 minus 1 is equal to not 1. So minus 1 is not equal to 0. It is not, also it is not possible. I have taken z is equal to 0. If you have taken z is equal to 1, so substitute this equation. So 1 cube plus I minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 cube means 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. I is not equal to 0, because the I value square root of minus 1. Therefore here 0 and 1 both the values not satisfied this equation. Therefore it has no real roots. So here there is no real roots. Option C is the correct option. Option C is the correct option. Let z and omega be two complex numbers such that modulus of z is equal to 1 and omega minus 1 divided by omega plus 1 is equal to z minus 1 divided by z plus 1 whole square. Then the maximum value of modulus of omega plus 1 is. Here they have given the clearly modulus of z is equal to 1. Let here we have taken let z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So modulus of this one also we are getting 1 only. Let z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Omega minus 1 divided by omega plus 1 is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta minus 1 divided by cos theta plus I sin theta plus 1 whole square. Here, so cos theta it can be written as, so cos theta value 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 plus I into sin theta value 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 minus 1 whole divided by, here cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1, because here plus 1 is there. So we have to taken this one 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Now 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 plus I into 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Whole square. Here we have to take common 2 sin theta by 2. I have to take common here. 2 sin theta by 2 common. Remaining sin theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2, because the minus is there, plus I into cos theta by 2. Divided by, here we have to take common cos theta by 2. There 2 cos theta by 2 plus I into 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. We have to take common 2 cos theta by 2. Here we have take common 2 sin theta by 2, the square is there, we have taken 2 square sin square theta by 2. In denominator we have take common 2 cos theta by 2, the square is there, we have taken 2 square into cos square theta by 2. Here cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2 by 2 whole square. Here 2 square get cancelled, remaining, so sin square theta by 2 by cos square theta by 2, we take tan square theta by 2 in a numerator, in denominator, so minus sin theta by 2 plus I into cos theta by 2 divided by, in denominator we have take common I. We have to take common I in denominator, or multiply with I in denominator. So what we get here? I cos theta by 2. Here plus I, we have to multiply I value with I square. We are getting plus I square value minus 1. We are getting minus sin theta by 2 whole square. Now, here we have to divide and multiply. Now, here in this question we have to divide and multiply I. So in dividing multiply I we have to in denominator multiplying I here. So I cos theta by 2 I into I square plus I square minus sin theta by 2. But here numerator denominator get cancel. Remaining what we get here, tan square theta by 2 I square. But I square value minus 1, we are getting right directly, minus tan square theta by 2. But we know that condition here. So cos theta minus 1 divided by cos theta plus 1 is equal to minus tan square theta by 2. But here, so omega minus 1 divided by omega plus 1 is equal to cos theta minus 1 divided by cos theta plus 1. But the omega value, the omega is equal to cos theta. Therefore, the maximum value of cos theta is the maximum value of cos theta is 1. So, because we got minus 1 to 1 range, the cos theta of the range should be minus 1 to 1, the maximum value should be the cos theta is 1, then the modulus of omega plus 1 is equal to modulus of cos theta plus 1 is equal to the maximum value of cos theta 1. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to we are getting 2. So, option B is the correct option.